A monument dedicated to the victims of Aleppo has been unveiled in the German city of Dresden. The installation, which comprises of 3 upturned buses, symbolizes the barricades in the war-torn city built to protect people from sniper fire. The artist behind the project says he tried to recreate the following photo right there from Reuters in 2015. But what drew the attention of critics is the flag flying above the barricade. One anti-migrant group pointed out the flag looks like the former symbol of an al-Qaeda-linked terror group. This would suggest it may not have been civilians, but rather radical militants who were protecting themselves. And there were those who went further, suggesting the artist is actually showing support for the jihadists with his work. He claims he's just misunderstood.
I can't understand this, why they provoked, because it was not my intention. My intention is the monument of freedom against war and the suffering of other people. And so actually I think they just didn't try to react and understand the meaning of the work.
The divisions over this monument were clear to see when we invited 2 guests on the program, Middle East expert Kevork Almassian and media commentator Mohammed Shafiq.
In my opinion, the whole concept of this installation in Germany is controversial, and it gives a cultural legitimacy, cultural cover to a terror group that doesn't even believe in culture and civilization.
Well, our colleague in Germany doesn't really want to talk about the massacres that were committed, the innocent people that were lost in Aleppo. And this monument is a tribute to those people that all suffered. And whether they were the opposition people, I'm not really interested in the politics. This is humanity, this is refugees, this is innocent people losing their lives by both sides.
This is completely untrue, because when Ahrar al-Sham, Free Syrian Army and Al-Nusra Front, which is Al-Qaeda, occupied Aleppo and they besieged the western side of Aleppo, they were even, when they besieged it, this is one of the pictures from East Aleppo when they were besieging western Aleppo. And it's written that it is not allowed, the same buses that they are trying to symbolize it now in Germany, it's written that it's not allowed for milk, medicine, food, and kid products to enter into West Aleppo. So if this was a humanitarian case, such a symbols should have been constructed in 2012, 2013 or 2014.
You're using propaganda to divert away from the real issue here.
I am simply... Excuse me, I am from Aleppo.
Denying the fact that so many innocent people have been killed. You sitting here denying that people have been killed and that somehow the massacres haven't been committed. I mean, really need to wake up. What is your agenda, sir?
Excuse me, sir, I'm from Aleppo, and when my parents and my relatives and my friends were starving, they had no food, they had no medicine, they had no water in Aleppo. You and the others, the so-called humanitarian people, were not uttering a word regarding this issue. They were celebrating the occupation of the city by these Islamist groups.
What this issue is an artist who wants to highlight the issue. Now, whether you supported the Assad government, whether you were with the opposition, the people who are not part of terrorist organizations, that's for another day. That's another debate. You know, let's be real. This is an artist who's highlighting an issue, and I think that should be recognized and accepted.
More news, just a moment.